Welcome to Cengage Learning's video on completing the pre-course assessment in MindTap for Mathematics, Statistics, and Physics. This is an installment of the Digital Course Support self-training video series for students. Our agenda for this video is to guide you through accessing the pre-course assessment, viewing your results, and improving your score. In developing MindTap for Math, Statistics, and Physics, we're trying to help you diagnose and improve your foundational skills on your own time to best prepare you for the course. The pre-course assessment begins with a brief diagnostic test containing algorithmically generated questions, which should take no more than an hour and ideally 30 to 45 minutes to complete. Click on the pre-course assessment within the learning path where you're reminded that you'll need 30 minutes or more to complete this activity and then have the opportunity to improve your score. You are then presented with questions to answer. You may work through the problems in any order you wish by clicking on the numbers on the left-hand side or by clicking Next Question. Enter the answers using your keyboard, the math palette, and the graphing tool, and when ready to submit the answer, click Submit at the bottom of the screen. You complete the rest of the pretest this way. As you work through the questions, MindTap automatically saves your progress, so there's no need to worry about losing work. When you're done with the assessment, click I'm Done at the bottom of the screen, and the pretest summary appears. Your current score is displayed in the upper right of the screen, along with a bar graph depicting the breakdown of correct answers by prerequisite concept. Underneath the bar chart are the questions from the pretest and corresponding concepts, along with how you answered each question and an explanation of the correct answer. Click on Improve Score at the top right of the bar graph to start practicing required skills and raise your score. From the targeted practice screen, each topic from the pretest summary is depicted by a card and notes your current score for that concept. From here, you can determine which concept provides the greatest opportunity to improve your score. For example, by practicing and quizzing yourself in solving equations and inequalities, you have the chance to improve your overall score up to 13%. To get help on a particular topic and practice, click Get More Help on the card. The Help Resources page opens, and you are presented with a brief overview of equations and concepts, followed by recommended study activities for that concept, which include concise readings, videos, and practice problems. When you are ready to practice, click Practice Problems. Select the number of questions you want to answer. Practice problems feature side-by-side help resources alongside each question in case you need additional support. When you are done, you can review your answers, keep practicing, or take the quiz for that concept to improve your score. Click Quiz Yourself, then Start Quiz. Solve the problems just as you did in the initial pretest. Since this is a quiz, you do not have access to the side-by-side help resources. When you've completed the quiz, click I'm Done. The total number of problems you answer correctly on the quiz appears, as well as the amount by which your assessment score improved and what further progress you can make. Click Quiz Yourself again to continue improving your score, or Finish to take you back to the targeted practice screen. Based on your quiz results for the concepts, the score bar on the card fills in with a striped section to show the progress you've made. Also, your current assessment score reflects your improvement along with the overall percentage increase by continuing to quiz yourself. If you're already confident in your knowledge of one of a particular topic, you may also choose to improve your score by electing to quiz yourself on the card from this screen. As you improve your score, MindTap saves your highest score so you can continually improve the foundational skills needed for success in your course. If your instructor has set a due date for the pre-course assessment, your highest score will be recorded in the gradebook at that time. Thank you for taking the time to review this self-training video. We hope you found it helpful. Please make sure to check out our other self-training videos and resources for more help with your Cengage digital products.